What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Appreciate Your Projects. I appreciate you tuning in, and I'm glad you're back. So today we're doing a review. It's actually a re-review on my Movo iVlogger kit. So Philip from Movo reached out to me because of my last review, and he was like, hey, I see that you returned it. Let's make this right. Let me send you a kit. And after a little bit of discussion, we decided that I would re-review it and put a video on my channel. So the first part of this video is going to be shot with the microphone that's in the camera. And then after I get this kit unpacked, then I will flip to it so you guys can see the audio difference. So let's unpack this. Here's the kit. Here's how it comes. Comes this nifty, handy dandy little case. Kind of cool. And then that's what comes on the inside. All right, here's the kit as it comes, like we said. This is the tripod that most everything is built upon. Everything goes from here. And so what I mean by that is the swivel head that comes with it will screw directly onto this. And you just build the kit based on this tripod. This is the same thread pattern as most all mono or tripod, so it's really interchangeable, so you don't have to worry about, oh, well, this fits something different. I like to hook this to my monopod and give me more extension. There's the microphone as it comes, the light. It has on off in 3 different settings. Low, medium, high, which is actually very nice. It's got different colors of lights in there to kind of give you a more natural look and help with shadowing. What I don't get is why we're still using the micro USB charging. Whatever. Everything's USB-C now, so just go to that. This holds your phone. And then in this little zipper pouch comes what I like to call the rail, which the microphone fits on the rail, and the light. Those both fit on the rail right here. What I will say about this, though, is I wish that these accessories, you're able to manipulate them or articulate them any way you wanted to. You could spin them side to side or up and down for directional stuff, and the same thing with the microphone. So that you don't always have to unscrew them, loosen this, unscrew it, take it out, flip it around if you want to do something. You can just spin them. That would be nice, but whatever. So this is the cable that plugs in the microphone. Here goes in your smartphone if you have a headphone jack. Most people don't have a headphone jack anymore. So you have to buy this. This is $20 for this cable. I'm not sure why they don't just put it in the kit and charge an extra $20 for the whole kit, but that's just me. USB-C. This plugs into here. All right, just to recap here. Tripod, swivel head, both have the same thread patterns. Your cell phone holder screws into here as such. Like this. And then, like I said, this is a swivel head, so you can manipulate it around. I will say that this sometimes doesn't tighten and hold the phone like you think it may, so make sure you give it a little snug before you set it down so you drop it. And then you have the rail right here. This rail is what everything fits upon. All the microphone and all that stuff fits upon here. And so it makes it's actually a really nice kit. Now that you have this $20 cable. Before, I didn't get the $20 cable because I didn't know that I needed it. Currently, we are on the video camera microphone, and I just wanted you to hear it from this distance with just my voice on the camera microphone, and now we're going to flip over. All right, I flipped over to the Movo microphone. I want you to see the audio quality difference. I feel like it's significantly better, and what I'm excited about is to be able to provide better content for you guys, better audio quality with better lighting. I'm buying better cameras. I'm getting all the equipment so that you guys can have a better experience as this channel grows. Feel free to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate all your comments. I respond to every single one of them. Philip, thank you for reaching out to me. I want to do a quick recap here. There's 3 things that I would really like to see different. The first thing is to be able, the accessories on the rail, to be able to manipulate those in different directions so it's not in a fixed position. 1. 2 is the rail itself. I would love for that to be wider so you can add maybe dual microphones, maybe 2, 3 lights, whatever it may be, a forward-facing and a rear-facing light, something like that. That would be really awesome for me to be able to utilize that. And the last thing that I think would be great is instead of spending however much money on the kit and not getting the cable that you need to work on most phones that do not have a microphone or a headphone jack, just go ahead and ship it with it. Or, add to the price, whatever you got to do, ship it with it. That would be awesome. It doesn't make sense to buy the kit and then buy a separate cable behind it because it's not actually a kit if you don't get what you need in order to be able to utilize it. So that's just my opinion. Like I said, Philip, thank you for reaching out to me. Appreciate your projects. Like and subscribe. And let me know if you have any ideas on videos you want to see done.